Another way to do background stamping is using your brayer. This time we're using a weathered background. I'm taking my ink pad and once again putting my stamp down and inking it up. These bigger ink pads are harder for some people to hold. This way it's easy, you can get it inked up, and everybody will use their background stamps. Background stamps are great for cars and for scrapbooking. Now that I have my stamp all inked up, I'm going to go ahead and put my paper down. Again, I'm going to fold my scrap paper up, but this time, instead of rubbing my hand on it, I'm going to take my brayer, and with nice, even strokes, just going to roll back and forth over it. Back and forth, back and forth. And again, when I'm done, pick up my paper. I'll have a nice, even, textured stamp. These background stamps really make a big difference in all your cards and your scrapbooking designs. They're a lot of fun to use. You can use embossing with this. You can use 2 different colors. You can just use your imagination. Background stamps are so much fun. I hope you'll try them.